Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we present the latest polka dot frocks for baby girls, perfect for every occasions. From classic red and white combinations to trendy pastel shades, those frocks are both stylish and comfortable. You will find a variety of patterns including bows and lace accents, idea for making your little one look adorable. Watch the full video for inspiration on dressing up your baby girl in the cutest polka dot frocks for season. As we wrapped up this video, I want to say a huge thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you are always updated on my latest uploads. I would love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below.